Welcome back, guys, to another 5-minute tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you a little bit about one-point perspective with a little bit more complexity than the last video. Okay, so I've started with our basic horizon line, and I've actually measured, this is 4 foot to scale, let's say. So there's my 4 foot, and from there what I've done is I've put in my vanishing point. And the reason I have this scale is because when you're doing an interior view of a house, or actually out exterior too, the height from the floorboards to your horizon line, that height is actually eye level. So from my perspective, what's a room look like from a child's eyes? So I decided to do it, just a quick mock-up. And let's get this for you right here. I just did a quick lines, and I'll describe what all these lines mean in a minute. But first is the most obvious, and this is the front wall with a window. So from right here, what I've done is, so 3 feet is about the bottom of a window. 9-foot ceiling's about, and I just drew a square, and then you put another square where you want your wall. So this exterior square would be my wall, and then just like from the last video, you connect the points, you drag a line from the corners, and then you get to decide how thick you want your wall. From there, you just reference it on these 4 lines that connect from your vanishing point, and then you draw a square within that. So when you actually make the final product, it turns out to be like this. You turn down the opacity a little bit for you. So it turns out to look like this, which is actually really nice. Now the next question is, I want a room back in this area. How do I draw that? Well, here's what you do. Because this shares the same corner, you're going to drag a line from your vanishing point back here all the way to this corner, and then same with the top of the ceiling area. Just like that. So now that gives you the face for that wall that you can't actually see, so the invisible wall. Next, you're going to want to choose how far back you want to go and draw this line that goes up. This will be the back face of your wall, the other corner. And then from there, you can draw these back corners, and this will create the back face for your wall. And then you're going to want to do about the same thing for whatever other dimensions you want. Like over here, I've actually made this corner, this edge that I'm focusing on right here, actually line up with, actually line up with this edge right here. So I've drawn a line that could go across, and whatever I want the wall, I put the line vertically from there. And then from that point, I drag another line from the vanishing point there and onward. And then same with the roof, because this is a wall that I can actually see. And then, now that I have that, I can drag out these lines horizontally, just like I did with the baseboards, and then I guess this would be the ceiling to go across here. Then, on the corner of this back face wall, you can drag the line all the way out into the corner, and then connect it. Now this is another invisible face, and this is a partially invisible face. That's why it's important that I showed you this. And when you show it, it looks like this. So here's what I was talking. Here's the invisible wall. Here is back face, here's the right face that's partially hidden, and then here's the extended. And then the simple side is you just connect, we'll just add lines right here and just fill them in. Just like that. So there's a simple interior design for point perspective. It goes same with furniture and other windows and anything you decide to put in there. Just make sure you use the point line, and then make sure if you can actually see things, they're shown. If you can't see things, don't show them. Make sure it's to scale, and you always reference off of your first object. That's really helpful. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped. Go have some fun with it. Go crazy. And once again, if you have any comments or questions or anything you'd like to see, please post below. I'd love to help you out. And thanks for watching. See you guys later.